friends, I have a secret I want to tell you. I have one friend and she predicts the future by reading your head.
We should go with her after our chemistry class.
Where is your friend at?
She's always in the classroom with the lights out.
Well, let's go. I want her to read my hand and tell me my future.
Let's go.
Scary.
Is she here? Yes, but be quiet. We don't make any noise. We shouldn't be in this classroom.
Come in, friends. It's moment that you know your destiny.
Oh my god, I'm gonna pee my panties.
I am predicting something unexpected, but
Tell us.
there will be an earthquake and maybe one of you will die.
You are crazy and you are a liar. There will be no earthquake and no one is dying here. Come on, girls, let's go.
What's happening? What's happening?
Oh my god, maybe what your friend said was true. Maybe one of us is gonna die.
That crazy girl was saying the truth. I'm falling.
Oh my god, let's go to the other one to be safe. Help me, please!
I won't let you go.
No!
It's in my brother, cause we have the same nose, same clothes, homegrown, a stone's throw from a creek we used to roam. But it would remind us.
No mames. La pueden recortar, ¿no? No se borra.
What's happening? Oh my god, maybe what your friend said was true. Maybe what up is gonna.
No se puede.